Hello everyone, welcome to our travel blog. Today we're here in South Korea and we're heading to Busan, and we're here at Cheonan Asan at the KTX station. So I'm glad you could join us, and hopefully we'll get some good footage here. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. And here comes a train now. This isn't our train, but this is an example of the KTXs, which is the Korean bullet train. So here it comes just now. Pretty slick and new and shiny. Believe me, they're fast. I'll show you some shots once we get on it. And here comes our train now. So we're just going to jump aboard and we'll give you some more information once we're on the train. And here we are, we're aboard, and we're just starting to roll now. So we're about 2.5 hours from where we are now in Cheonan Asan to Busan, which is really fast. And we'll get some footage of the train once it gets rolling here. Let's give you a shot of what it's like. It's not incredibly classy, but this isn't first class either. There we are, we're out of the tunnel. This country seems to be full of these silly tunnels. Anyway, we're traveling about 303 kilometers an hour, which is quite fast. I think this thing peaks out about 350 something kilometers an hour. I guess some of you back home wish you could go that fast in the 401. Just try to give you an example of some of the scenery around South Korea here. It's actually some pretty nice landscape, so we'll try and get more of it as we travel here. But this is just a river and an interesting bridge coming up here. For some reason this train's starting to slow down. I'm trying to give you an example here of some of their farms. Now you see all kinds of these greenhouses all over the place. And there you can see some rice fields. But they seem to utilize every square inch they possibly can for agriculture. And here's an example of some more scenery. This is kind of the nice rolling mountains. Here's a pretty good landscape shot right here. Some farms, some hills and mountains. Here we are at Busan Station, the second largest city in Korea. So we'll just get a shot of the port here. If you look out, you can just see it's pretty commercialized. And I take it there's a new bridge being built there or something. We'll get some more ocean shots as we get closer to the beach area. And here we are outside of Busan Station. Let's get a shot of the station here. It's kind of a bustling little place. It's hot as anything, too. It's got to be about over 30 degrees here. I'll just do a pan. There's what they call the Toyoko Inn over here, and I think we're going to spend our third night there, actually close to the train station. A pretty busy little place.